Good morning, guys. This is Brandon Green, Go to Element Autoworks. I just came home from the firehouse and I was pleased to see two of four that I just ordered. I've been going back and forth about what wheels I should put on my 1985 Euro Spec 500 SEC. The Mercedes from the 80s that I picked up from California. Those are becoming harder and harder to find. So I have a lot of ideas with this 500 SEC. It's currently black. It's been repainted, and they didn't really do a good paint job. It has the Palomino interior, like the peanut butter interior. I am actually doing a lot of work on that car. I'm switching out the wheels, of course. I'm going to get it lowered. I'm going to switch out that interior, introduce some black into it, pull all the seats out. I just ordered some, and they just got delivered actually from Florida, some black seats, front and rear, with the rear headrest from a 1991 560 SEC. The last year I think that they made that car. So these are the premium seats, very nice seats, all black. A lot of the trimming and paneling I'm going to remove. The dash I got to redo. I'm going to really make that car really custom. I'm going to do a new black paint job. I'm going to tint the windows. It's going to be blacked out. And I actually am going to put some black wheels on there. Now, again, I've been going back and forth about what kind of wheels. What's up, man? All right, so I found the wheels. I found the wheels that I want to put onto my car. Again, I'm dropping it low. I'm going with an 18-inch wheel. I wanted to do something that's deep. I consider concave, but I found a combination. It's deep, has a lip, and it's concave, black. And I'm putting gold badges on the back too, so keep that in mind. You know, if you look at my other cars, typically black and gold is what I choose color-wise. So this 500 SEC is gonna be quite unique. It's gonna be blacked out, tinted windows, black, a two-tone interior, you know, black and the Palomino interior. I'm redoing the headliner too, because that's jacked up. Probably do like a suede or like an Alcantara. It's gonna be something crazy, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, keep in mind, black, lowered, tinted windows, new tail lights. The headlights are the ones that's recessed. I'm gonna do the black trim around it. It's gonna be crazy, right? Here go the wheels. So these are 9.5s in the front, 18 by 9.5 in the front. I have 18 by 10.5 in the rear that's coming. So these were the first ones to get delivered. I really like these, man. So like I said, it's a combination of concave, the 5-spoke design. It gives it like a retro look. Now, typically most people put the silver joints on here, like a BBS style or something similar to this, but silver. I have not really seen a SEC with black wheels, and so this is gonna be very unique. It's definitely gonna stand out. And with the gold right there, that's gonna be crazy. The gold buttons are sick. I had the gold 500 SEC, 500 SEC rear emblem for the trunk. I mean, this car is gonna be slick, man. It's gonna be so dope. I am so looking forward to this one. So I'm gonna take my time with it. I'm not rushing. I'm taking my time. It's gonna be off the chain. All right, so here goes my seats. They came all the way from Florida. These are the 91 560 SEC all black complete seat set, front and rear. Rear with the headrest.
Thank you so much for joining us. Good morning. Thank you.
All right, so I got it in no problem. You know, this old school 80s Mercedes stuff isn't really that heavy. It's built solid, but not as heavy as the newer stuff. Not as much heavy technology and mechanical structure as the newer stuff. And when I say newer, I mean like the 2000s, because that's when Mercedes really went all out with their designs and engineering. 80s, this stuff was ahead of its time. It was definitely advanced for its time, way beyond other car manufacturers. But that's just a little side note there. Some of the newer Mercedes are not built as solid as some of the 2000s. Those were the primo years for Mercedes when it came to technology, when it came to build quality and not being afraid to put a lot of money into their designs. They lost money that way, but they made a better product. So here goes the 18 by 10.5. All right. Looks nice, man. Nice and deep. Kind of hard to see with it in the box. I should take it out the box, but I'm being lazy. But yeah, look at that. It's a nice lip. It's a nice lip. That's nice, man. Very nice. Very nice. So this is gonna look real good on this car. It's gonna look good. Let me pull it out. Hold on. Yeah, very nice. Deep and concave. Man, this is the look right here, boy. I was afraid that it was gonna look smaller than it is because the smaller spokes, the shorter spokes, it only goes out to this, you know, even though you have an 18-inch wheel, probably only about 15 inches of it is spoke. But that lip, it's a nice combination. Oftentimes you either see the lip or you see concave. I like this. I like this right here. It's concave with the lip. It's a nice lip. It's pretty gold accents right here. The nice gold buttons, that's gonna be sharp. It's gonna be real sharp. And then I'll stretch the tire a little bit and keep these wheels clean and shiny. Get some fresh paint on that 500 SEC. It's gonna be nice and shiny as well. It's gonna be all blacked out with some gold trims. It's gonna be nice. All the silver trim that's under the chrome trim, that will be black. I'm not gonna do like no ghetto, super flashy gold crap like that. You know, some people do the gold trim on old Mercedes just to give it that flair, but that's too much. That's too flashy. I'm not a pimp, you know what I'm saying, from the age. This will be a sophisticated, classy, stealth look. I can't wait. I'm really looking forward to it. So that's gonna be dope. That's gonna be dope. Real nice. Real nice.